So hey guys, I'm back again with these scenic rides, and today I want to start my video from the junction of Way-Redhill, and I want to head down to the end of the Way-Redhill. This has to be one of the best road, I'd say that, to drive, and also it's very scenic, and I wanted to do this for the longest time, but today I think this is the day. I'm starting exactly on the junction of James Gishuru. This is James Gishuru, and the plan is to go this side. I don't know how far, but the end of the Way-Redhill. That's what we're going to explore today. If you're new here, consider subscribing, comment, like, and share, guys. I know this is the type of video we are going to settle in for now, because I think I have explored every part of Kenya on skates, especially Nairobi. But for now, as a content creator, I don't want to miss something. I want to keep on creating content before I travel outside Kenya, of which it's coming soon. For now, guys, let's enjoy the scenic ride of the Way-Redhill until the end, and I will see you inside the road. Enjoy the video, comment, like, and share if you're first time, and don't forget to subscribe.
Yo. Sometimes people speak, they get you weak. And when you're weak, your heart leaks. And when the blick is strong, we get on the mic. Yo, I blast off on these microphone and drop psycho bombs. Where we from is gone serenade and take everybody home. My flashbacks are driving forces of black horses on panic attack, getting rid of the losing causes. We grew up in old kind of roads where little boys get lost, trying to make a name out of smoke. Bad boys wanna be, it's what they died to be like, but we chose a different route, the boot to please mics. Wase wengine wanadhani it's a waste of time, cause we rhyming right for the liming light, trying to beat the test of time. The crush you looking at you like you wasn't born in shine. The bottom line got the back of dreaming kids during bottom times. They wanna see you on depression like you's an angle, but now we cause mega deaths on mics and make them sweat bullets. Due to Mesila our vest on, Cassini Rambo, and got the style on like Sylvester Stallone. I call the trigger rhyming Rambo. Saituna checky light from the other side, the light a pure shadow. Staring, wondering how will Alaska do the shine off. I tell them skiza where you from, and they run off.
Nilizaliwa na dream ya kuhold the mic. 17 years later nikaingiwa na psych. Nika realize muziki ni part of my life. Nikawa married kwa game, hip hop ikawa my wife. Nimetoka mbali, heshimu nilipo. After hard work najua pia kuna malipo. Walinidharau, walidhani sitafika. Angalia saa hizi vile mimi na washika. Ilikuwa kuenda shoni vigumu kuwakilisha, hata kama una songs ambazo za burudisha. Nashukuru Mungu wangu kwa mali ametufikisha, ila skaidumu milele, najua tayafanikisha.
Yeah, that's me, your homie, T-I-double-F, Endo King. Rocking to laughter, cause I couldn't trade the kiss. Talking about my hood, cause I'm full of ecstasy. So expect to see me different this time than your industry. Kitale's finest, Y-liner, hizi ndo mistari halisi. Tuli change since moments arenda kuhata peace. Already to share embrace some form of truth, we are never lose. Hope there ain't a species of MCs to try to bring up a diss. Walojaribu kutupen black, cause hawakupata focus ya C. Already to share tupa strides, not easy kupata compass ya C. No need to imagine tuko wapi, wajua tu sisi rende kuu. So special that the mass tupatane ndani ya rendezvous. Bado na hope juu kuwish ni kuabolish kitu nafaa kuaccomplish. You world entertainment, my next BIG stuff in the field. Need a goldfish, kwa maheta misi kosi voka fetish. But my fans unicherish bila feelings.
To the music, kids look at you like, where you from, where you from, where you from,
My watch was on the left, but it's perfectly right. I took my pen and paper cause I had to write. Bahama glass notes, my rhymes were tight, but at home when it was known, it was hell at night. So in me a dark force when I saw the light. Man, I wished he was gone when he said I wasn't right. Cause back then, my grip was tight on the mic. So again, I wanna spit from my mind, so I can reach out to what's bright. Lord, amen. My wish is not to fight. They say it's not over till the fat lady sings. I mean it's never over, cause I made a thing.
Blind to the music. Kids look at you like, where you from, 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 where
Yo,
you from?
I come from a place where people die from robbery. Pen, page, rhymes, microphone are the lottery. There's a lot of we who have dreams, others nightmares. Sleeping every night, waking up no yawning. It's moaning, but still I feel I need some sleep. But knowing life is not on bed still, and I got a picture to flow. I write my 1,000 words for you just to show you the picture. Every word is what I pen. It's time for me to get richer. Listen, we started rapping rhymes sharper than glass. Reminisce the moments we were freestyling in class. I'm just a kid with dreams, walking up the middle of a night. I see my crew, big bright lights, everything is right. Why lie? I'ma tell you that we hustle and steal. Pyroclastic flows, sparks think I'm swallowing steel. They ask who the hell is AB. I remember he's a rapper whose dreams are enclosed in a chamber. Say it on my face, my humility. I still rap, knock him down, feel the wrath. Now you know I guilty. This is the ability. And I clean flows, I spit one zone. Life is just a thought, I think I live inside my mind zone.
Sasa huyu
karibia custom upate line ya Airtel 4G free of charge, kisha tunakuzawadi 100 MB of data. Vile vile tunafanya sim replacement. Karibu custom. Karibia customer, tuweze kukuwekea screen protector kwa simu yako kwa shilingi 100 tu pekee yake. Hata ukiweka funguo kwa mfuko wako, hata ukiweka mashilingi kwa mfuko wako. Na pia ukumbuke my sister, my brother, mahali hapa tuko na simu za M-Kopa. Unapata simu ambazo ni original, unalipa malipo ya polepole. Karibia sasa.
end the video here. This is Starbucks, I think, in Gashie, and I hope you enjoy the video. I'll see you on the next one, on the next run. Cheers, subscribe, comment, like and share. Let me make a turn and head back to town.